I got my second month of Rocksbox, and I want to share the 3 items that I received with you, but I did put my account on hold for a little while with Rocksbox, and I will explain why I did that in this video. I will do a fun unboxing, and then you'll get to see which piece of jewelry was the winner from this box. If you haven't heard of Rocksbox, I did a whole review and an unboxing of my first month, and I explained exactly how it works, and I give you all the details in that video. I will make sure to link it in the description box below if you want to check it out. If you're new to Artsy Cupcake, welcome. I'm Maria, and I bring you ideas with how you can be creative in your life with DIYs, fashion lookbooks, recipes, and then I share helpful reviews like this one. Make sure to hit that subscribe button, hit that bell, and leave a comment so we can get to know each other. Rocksbox is a monthly service that will send you 3 jewelry items each month. There is a styling fee that you can use towards any of the pieces of jewelry that you end up keeping. I have a coupon code if you want to try out your first month of Rocksbox for free. There is free shipping both ways, and you do get a discounted member price off the jewelry. First of all, a month goes really fast. I felt like I had just sent my March box back, and right away I got an email saying that my April box was ready for me. Since I had already added all my favorites on their site and I'd filled out the style profile, there wasn't much else that I could do other than review what they wanted to send me. So in my last Rocksbox video, I talked about how you have the option to change everything that the stylist suggests to you. And I did that with my first box, so it seemed more like I was just shopping for myself instead of having that personalized service from the stylist with their recommendations. And I really missed out on the surprise element, and so it wasn't as fun as it could have been. So this time I decided to go with what they recommended, and I didn't even peek at my order online, so it would be more fun, and when I received the box it would just be more exciting. So I'm going to go ahead and quickly show you the 3 items that I got. If you're new to the idea of a jewelry subscription box, this will give you a feel of what it's like. So let's get right into this Rocksbox unboxing. I love the pretty packaging, and it is the same as it was last time. It had the gray and the pink and the pretty little bow and the nice little bags to store the jewelry in. I liked how the Kendra Scott pieces came in their own bags instead of the Rocksbox branded bags, so it'll be easier to see what jewelry is in which bag. The first items are the earrings from Kendra Scott. They're named the Ellie earrings. I like that there's a little brochure that came with these. It's such a tiny and cute little brochure. These earrings are a stone gray color with gold trim, and the back has this beautiful Kendra Scott pattern on it. I think that they are so elegant and they'll go well with any outfit. They were $50. Next we have the Ever necklace from Kendra Scott. It was really well attached in its packaging, but I finally got it out. I thought the chain in the back was really a nice detail with that logo at the end. Even though you don't see that little logo when you're wearing it, I always appreciate the little extra touches like that from a brand. This stone is a peachy pink color, and it would look great with any color of outfit. Blush is just one of those colors that's basically a neutral and will go with anything. It's a nice length necklace. You could even layer it with a longer necklace to change up the look. This necklace is $60 on Rocksbox. The next item is the Sophie Harper Rainbow Crystal Cuff Bracelet. It is a nice thin bracelet that could be layered with others, and it's flexible so you can adjust it to fit your wrist. Because of that adjustability, it doesn't feel really heavy or sturdy. And if you remember from my last Rocksbox, I had gotten some little circular rainbow earrings from Sophie Harper. So had I kept those, this bracelet would be part of that matching set. But those earrings were really tiny and you could barely see the rainbow stones on them. And I feel the same way about this bracelet actually. The stones are a little hard to see and, well, the colors just looked way more intense online. So I was a little disappointed in this one too, especially when it's a bracelet that costs $46. So which item do you think I kept from this box? Put your guesses below in the comments section. I will let you know in a minute which one I picked. So the reason I decided to put my account on hold is first because once a month for a jewelry delivery service is a lot. I think I will use this service in the future, but just every once in a while when I'm wanting to add something new to my collection. I love that they offer the brand names at a little discount because you're part of their program. So if I wanted something that's really specific, like say a Kate Spade piece of jewelry or Kendra Scott, I would probably do a month or two again because I would be able to try on some of the pieces before choosing one. Okay, so the winner from this box was the Kendra Scott earrings. I have been loving the details on the back and they go well with everything because of their gray color. I think they are really elegant and they can be dressed up or down. They have a nice solid construction and I appreciate those little details with the design on the back, and plus they're a timeless design so they'll never go out of style. If you are intrigued by this service, don't forget to check out my last Rocksbox video, which goes into the whole style profile and shows you how the service works, and a few more details are gone into on the pricing and things like that. I do have a coupon code for getting your first month free with Rocksbox, so I'll link that down there too. And while you're down there, I would love to hear what you thought of the jewelry in the comments section. Overall, I really like Rocksbox and I will be going back when I'm looking for some new pieces to add to my collection. Don't forget to subscribe so you don't miss out on more fun videos like this one. Thank you so much for watching and I hope you have a very happy day.